Today we are going to be looking at these compound figures and we need to find the volume of them. So for this one, we have two shapes here. We have a half sphere or a hemisphere, and we have a cone. So we need to find the volume of both of these. To find the volume of a hemisphere or half sphere, we will use the formula volume equals 4/3 pi r cubed. And since it's half of a sphere, and this is the formula for a sphere, we will need to cut that in half. So that will be divided by 2. And we'll need to add this to the volume of our cone as well. So plus the volume of our cone is 1/3 pi r squared times height. Now we just need to plug in all of this information. So how will we find the radius of our sphere? Well, we know that the diameter is 8, and we know that half of the diameter is the radius. So 8 divided by 2 equals 4. So that means our radius is 4. So that means we can plug in our information pretty easily. So 4/3, we will substitute 3.14 for pi, times our radius is 4, and we will cube that, and we'll put all of this over 2. We will add 1/3, again 3.14 as pi. Our radius is still 4, and we are squaring that one instead of cubing it, and our height, as we see here, is 12. So when we calculate all of that together, we should get 133.97. Our volume of our cone on our calculator should have been 200.96. And when we add both of these together, our volume should be 334.93, and remember to add our units. Our units are centimeters, and since it's volume, it will be cubed. And this will be our answer for this compound figure here. Let's figure out our other compound figure. So let's go ahead and erase this. With this compound figure, we don't have two clear shapes yet. We have to make them ourselves. And we can do that by cutting along this line right here. And now we have two rectangular prisms. Now all we have to do is find the volume of each of these prisms and add them together. So it will be length times width times height plus the length times the width times the height of our other prism. So the length of our base here is 6. 6 times the width is going to be the same as the width over here because that didn't change when we cut it. So that is still 5 centimeters. So b times 5. Our height of this figure is 12. And then our length of our figure over here, we know that this is 6 right here. And we know that this whole thing is 14. So to get this right here, we would need to do 14 minus 6, which is 8. So this should be 8 centimeters right here. Go 8 times our width is 5 times our height. And we don't know our height either. So we need to subtract 8, which is the length right here, from our 12 right here to get this little area. So 12 minus 8 equals 4. So that would be times 4. So now our volume, when we put this into our calculator, should be 360 plus 160. That should get us to 520 centimeters cubed.